We are going to take a quick look at a Miller Moorhead Model 600 gang rip laminate slitter. This is one of the later 600s to roll off the line. You can tell because it has a yellow label. Early models didn't even have a serialized tag. They were royal blue or navy blue. This is more of a primary color. This was the last color that they did use. These were made in Grand Rapids, Michigan. You can also tell that it's a later model because it does have an indicator light for forward and reverse. What makes these machines so special, and really these are the best laminate slitters ever created, it's the fact that the superstructure is cast. You do have a rolled steel base, and it is a heavier steel base. But if you look, you have one casting. This is your base casting. You have your arm casting that comes up the side here. And finally, you have your top casting, which is going to hold your front assembly for that arbor. You can tell this machine does have 1-inch spacing on the tooling. And what is so special about that cast iron and that cantilever arm is it is going to manage deflection very well. By all but eliminating deflection, it is going to give you super clean cuts. And they're never going to build these machines ever again. It would just cost way too much money, very cost prohibitive. So if you look, we do have some defects in this laminate to begin with because it's just cut out of scrap that we have laying around. But if you take a look at how clean of an edge that this machine produces. And these are all 1-inch strips. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 total pieces. And if you look, they're just really clean, sharp edged cuts. Another thing that Miller Moorhead did was they used extremely high grade steel on their dies. Miller Moorhead pretty much made steel machinery to produce basically for the metalworking industry, and they started making laminate slitters. And so one of the things is these dies can often last for decades. I mean, I know people with these dies that have been there 30, 40 years, and they are still producing extremely clean cuts. This machine is powered by a 1 horsepower Balder 115, 208, 230 volt motor. It's currently wired for 115 volt single phase power. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you can give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.